Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Ananda Eko Susanto Binunis Pandi. Aku nikahkan putriku Desy Ayu Lestari atas diri Ananda dengan mas kawin berupa seperangkat alat sholat dan uang 1 juta rupiah dibayar tunai.
Saya terima nikahnya Desy Ayu Lestari putri Bapak atas diri saya dengan mas kawin tersebut saya bayar tunai.
I need those moments to hold me now. I need those moments to ease my mind as my memories fade. Ooh, I need those moments to keep me sane. A flicker of light as I say your name. Can you come down, break through these clouds for a little while? Remind me of how you sound. Yeah, I know it wouldn't be the same, but just keep me close if there's any way you can.